Let's look a little bit closer at the FOIL process with these two examples here. So looking at example 2, I see I have a binomial times a binomial. So that's when FOIL works. Remember, it's just a way to help us remember that we catch everything when we're distributing. So it's first times first plus outside times outside plus inside times inside plus last times last. So I'm going to take the first times the first, so x times 2x is 2x squared. The very outside to the other outside, so x times 5, so 5x. The inside to the insides, the very inside to the very inside, so negative 7 times 2x is negative 14x. And the very last in each times the very last in the first times the very last in the second. Negative 7 times 5 is negative 35. Again, before I combine like terms, just let me reiterate that all I'm doing is f times f, first times first, I'm distributing the x to the 2x. Outside times outside, and then I'm distributing the negative 7 in. I distribute the x to the 2x, then the x to the 5, then the negative 7 to the x, and the negative 7 to the 5. So again, I'm just making sure that I distribute all terms from one binomial to the other binomial. Combining these two like terms, 2x squared stays. Positive 5 and negative 14 is negative 9x, minus 35. I have no other like terms. I have my quadratic term, my linear term, and my constant term, and I'm done. Example 3, one thing I want to point out is that we cannot distribute exponents. I'm going to say that again because it's really important. I cannot distribute that exponent. Instead, I'm going to take the meaning of an exponent and say exponents means multiply whatever's being raised to that exponent by itself that many times. Well, 2x minus 4 is being raised to the second exponent, so I'm going to multiply 2x minus 4 by 2x minus 4 twice. Now from here, notice I have a binomial times a binomial, so I can once again use FOIL. I'm going to switch colors here quick. First times first then would give me 4x squared. Outside times outside, 2x times minus 4 would be negative 8x. Inside times inside, negative 4 times 2x is negative 8x. And last times last, negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. I combine my like terms, 4x squared, negative 8 minus 8 more is negative 16x's. Plus 16, I have no more like terms, so that's where I stop. We will, down the road, learn a formula for these types of problems, but for now we're going to remember to write it twice and FOIL.